merong dalawang stages sa buhay ng isang tao. And most of us, nananatili tayo dun sa unang stage. Yung stage na kung saan nandun yung comfort zone natin, kung saan nandun yung mga bagay na madali para sa atin. Yung mga bagay na normal para sa atin. And bibihira yung tao na nag-e-explore or gustong abutin yung next stage ng buhay nila. The stage wherein you explore all your potentials. Wherein you live your life to the fullest. Pero alam mo, before we can go to that stage, coming from the lowest stage or the first stage ng ating buhay, we really need to understand one thing. Only a single thing. And it is, yung buhay natin, isa lang. That's why, you need to live today the best possible way. You live life today to the fullest. When you understand na meron ka lamang isang buhay, wala nang restart button, wala nang second chance, what would you do? You will give your best. You will do everything you can para yung maging output mo is yung pinakamaganda, pinaka-positive. Kadalasan iniisip kasi natin, we still have plenty of time. Kaya kampante tayo na okay lang na ganito ako ngayon. Kasi meron pa namang bukas. O tapos bukas ganun ulit. Isipin natin, okay lang. Ganito na lang muna ako ngayon ulit. Kasi meron pa naman ulit bukas eh. So what will happen? You're stacking up, you know? Yung mga araw na wala kang nagiging improvement. Why not think of it this way? I want to reach the next stage of my life. That's why today, I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna live life to the fullest. Because I know that tomorrow might not come. Maaring wala na akong bukas. Kaya kung ano yung mga bagay na gusto kong gawin bukas, gagawin ko na ngayon. At gagawin ko yun sa the best na paraan. So, most of us, kaya tayo hindi nag-i-step up or nagle-level up, going to that next stage of our lives, is because stuck tayo sa mentality na meron pang bukas. Stuck tayo sa mentality na there is a second chance. Pero, kung titingnan natin mabuti, sino ba yung may hawak ng bukas? Sino makakapagsabi ko ano yung mangyayari bukas? Wala, di ba? That's why, yung ganung mentality will not work. We really need to wake up. Hey, we only have one life. That's why we really need to live life to the fullest. We do everything in our capacity the best way we can. And with that, we can reach the next stage of our lives. The stage wherein we can enjoy. We can harvest the fruit of our labor. Alam nyo, when we do our best, syempre, we can expect the best results. With minimal effort na ilalagay natin sa isang bagay, tapos expecting that there will be maximum result or the best result is very absurd. It does not match. That's why the only time we can expect great results, best results, is when we do great and when we do best. So, huwag nating hayaan that today, yung gagawin natin is yung okay lang. Gawin natin palagi is yung best na kaya natin. That's it.